In this video, we'll go over the most common types of monitor connections you may encounter, how to identify each one, and what the main differences are between them. The three monitor connections you'll typically see in an office setting are VGA, HDMI, and DisplayPort. VGA was introduced way back in 1987, and while technically it's been phased out, it's still quite prevalent on desktop computers. You can identify a VGA connection very easily, as it will typically be blue both in the socket and the cable itself. VGA is simple to connect, and can be secured by the two screws either side of the cable. VGA offers a simple and easy way to connect your monitor, however it doesn't offer the best picture quality, and due to its age, you'll find it becomes less common on modern desktop computers and laptops. Next, let's talk about HDMI. You may be more familiar with HDMI as it's become one of the standard display connections for home devices as well, most commonly on your TV. HDMI will look like a rectangle with two corners cut off from the bottom, and again it's very easy to connect. HDMI also offers a decent picture quality, and with almost every monitor and desktop coming with at least one HDMI connection, it's become the new standard for home and office use. Finally, DisplayPort. Now while HDMI and DisplayPort may look similar, the key difference will be that the DisplayPort is slightly larger and is only missing one of its corners. You may also find on the cable that they have clips to secure them, so be wary when trying to disconnect them and ensure you press the clip down as you remove the cable. DisplayPort offers a higher bandwidth and can support higher resolutions at higher refresh rates, meaning you can get the best picture quality from DisplayPort monitors. For more like this, be sure to visit the ClickIT website and social pages.